A very good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to the English class. So, children, today I am going to start with a poem. Yes, today I am going to start with a new poem, that is, I meant to do my work today. Yes, children, the title of this poem is I meant to do my work today, which is written by Richard Lee Gallion. So, children, do you know who writes poem for us? Yes, a writer writes a poem for us. A poet writes a poem for us. So, children, here the poet is Richard Lee Gallion. Okay. Before moving to the poem, let's do warm-up activity. So, children, look at in this warm-up box. There are times when we have work to do and yet we feel like playing. So, what do you do during such times? Yes, it happens with everybody. Yes, children. Like there are times when we have to do our work but yet we feel like playing. Yes, children, what do you do during such times? You have to tell me this. Okay, this is your homework. So, children, now let's move to the poem. Okay. So, children, when we start learning something new or when we begin something new, we came across with many new words, isn't it? Yes, children, we came across with many new words. So, what you have to do? You have to underline the difficult words or new words. Okay, underline the difficult words or new words. Okay, let's read out this poem. Listen to me carefully and put your finger on the line. I meant to do my work today. I meant to do my work today, but a brown bird sang in the apple tree. I meant to do my work today, but a brown bird sang in the apple tree, and a butterfly flitted across the field. And a butterfly flitted across the field, and all the leaves were calling me, and the wind went sighing over the land, and the wind went sighing over the land, tossing the grasses to and fro, and a rainbow held out its shining hand. So what could I do but laugh and go? Yes, children, once again I will read this poem. I meant to do my work today, but a brown bird sang in the apple tree, and a butterfly flitted across the field, and all the leaves were calling me. And the wind went sighing over the land, tossing the grasses to and fro. And a rainbow held out its shining hand. So what could I do but laugh and go? Yes, children, here notice some rhyming words. Yes, children, like hand, land. Yes, hand, land. So, children, I meant to do my work today. The poem is about a nature. Yes, children, the poem is nature poem. So, first we are going to read about a nature. Yes, because the poem is related to nature. Here, the speaker is a child. Okay, children, here the speaker is child. Okay, children, the poem is about nature, and in this poem, the speaker is a young child. Okay, a child is the speaker of this poem. Okay, children. Now, see here, what does the speaker means? I meant to do my work today. Here, children, first we will discuss these 4 stanzas. I meant to do my work today, but a brown bird sang in the apple tree, and a butterfly flitted across the field, and all the leaves were calling me. So, before moving to the poem, let's learn the meaning of these new words. Okay. So, here children, see, there are some new words. What you have to do? You have to underline these words and write its meaning. Okay. Then what? First new word is flitted. Yes, children, flitted. What is mean by flitted? Flitted means flew away quickly. Okay. Flitted means flew away quickly. And sighing means breathing out slowly and noisily. Sighing means breathing out slowly and noisily. Tossing. Tossing means moving up and back suddenly. Moving up and back suddenly, like moving up and back suddenly. So to and fro means in one direction and then another. A number of times means like swaying. Okay. Now you know the meaning of these difficult words. Okay children, class 3 English subject poem is I meant to do my work today. Okay. So see here, this poem is about a nature and the speaker is here a child. Okay. These 4 lines, what is the first line suggest? I meant to do my work today children. Yes, tell me. Meant to do means having an intention to do a work. Yes, having an intention to do a work. Yes, so here what to do? I meant to do my work today means I have a work. I have some work pending which is I am going to finish today. But what happened? But what happened? A brown bird sang in the apple tree and a butterfly flitted across the field. Means butterflies flying across the tree. Here we can see this picture children. First look at this picture. Okay. Here we can see a boy is standing inside a tree and here we can see an apple tree. On apple tree a bird is singing a song. Yes. So when the speaker saw a singing bird, the speaker is distracted from his work. Yes, and butterfly flitted across the field. Here you can see here children, the butterfly and a butterfly flitted across the field. Yes children, we can see here the butterflies are flitted across the sea. Flitted means what children? Flee or move quickly and lightly. Okay children. So here now see, and all the leaves were calling me. And all the leaves were calling me. And the wind went sighing over the land. And the wind went sighing over the land. Means what children? Breathing out slowly and noisily. A wind went sighing over the land. Here we can see in this picture. Yes children. Now tossing the grasses to and fro. Means tossing the grasses means here you can see. Yes, tossing the grasses here and there means moving or making somebody or something move from side to side. Like here we can see like side to side, side to side. Here we can see in this picture. Yes. And a rainbow held out its shining hand. So what could I do but laugh and go? So children, the speaker is telling that tossing the grasses to and fro and a rainbow held out its shining hand. Here a rainbow is pop out. Here we can see. Yes, and a rainbow held out its shining hand. Yes, we can see in this picture. Look how beautiful it is children. Yes, so the speaker is very overwhelmed with the beauty of nature. Yes children, with the beauty of nature. So children, first in the first stanza we can see, yes, in the first 4 stanzas the speaker's intention is to complete his work, but after in the next 4 stanza what happened? He is distracted. Yes, he is distracted with his work. He distracted from his work. Yes, all the beauties of this nature distracted him from this work, and now he is confused. Yes, now he could not. Now he thinking, what could he do? Yes, so children, now the child is enjoying the nature's beauty. Yes children, now the singing bird, the flitted butterflies, the rainbow, all things are very beautiful. Yes children, So the speaker is enjoying the beauty of a nature. Yes, children. This four line. What is the first line suggests? I meant to do my work today. So that means I have some work pending which is I am going to finish today. But what happened? This is poem about a child. The child has some kind of work. Yes, but what happened? But a brown bird sang in the apple tree and butterfly flitted across the field and all the leaves were calling me. Means the speaker is distracted, yes, from the beauty of a nature, and all the leaves were calling me, and the wind went sighing over the land, tossing the grasses to and fro, and rainbow held out its shining hand. So what could I do but laugh and go? So children, now tell me, what did the speaker eventually do? Yes? So, tell me, children, what stopped him from doing what he meant to do? Yes? The beauty of nature, isn't it? Children, now the speaker wants to enjoy the beauty of nature. Yes, children? Yes, the speaker is lover of a nature. Yes, children. So this is very simple and beautiful poem. I meant to do my work today, but what happened? A brown bird sang in the apple tree and a butterfly flitted across the field and all the leaves were calling me. Yes, means the nature is calling speaker to enjoy the beauty of nature. Okay, children. So I hope you understood this poem. The next we will continue in our next class. Okay, children. Here, see, we can see a bird is singing a song here, yes, on an apple tree. So children, the speaker is distracted from his work by seeing this nature's beauty. Okay, children, this is very simple and beautiful poem. I hope you understood this. In the next class, we will discuss the evaluation part of this poem. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.